Have you ever seen porosity forming in your weld bead while MIG welding? The most common cause of porosity is an incorrectly set gas flow rate. In this video, I will explain step by step how to set the correct gas flow rate in a clear and simple way. First, it is important to understand the significance of this gas. This gas prevents the molten weld pool from coming into contact with gases in the air during welding. That is why this gas is called the shielding gas. If the shielding gas flow rate is set too low, it cannot protect the molten weld pool enough and may cause porosity. If the shielding gas flow rate is set too high, the gas flow from the nozzle can become irregular and create turbulence. This turbulence can pull surrounding air into the shielding gas, causing the molten weld pool to be insufficiently protected. Therefore, the gas flow rate should be neither too low nor excessively high. So how do you set the correct gas flow rate? For parts up to 1/8 of an inch thick, the shielding gas flow rate should be set to 20 to 25 cubic feet per hour. For parts between 1/8 and 3/16 of an inch thick, the shielding gas flow rate should be set to 25 to 30 cubic feet per hour. For parts over 3/16 of an inch thick, the shielding gas flow rate should be set to 30 to 40 cubic feet per hour. However, setting the correct gas flow rate is not always enough on its own to ensure the weld pool is properly protected. Specifically, weld spatter building up inside the nozzle can disrupt the gas flow, leading to insufficient protection of the weld pool. For this reason, weld spatter accumulating in the nozzle should be cleaned regularly. Additionally, having a stick-out distance that is too long can also negatively affect the gas shielding. As the stick-out distance increases, the nozzle moves away from the weld zone, making it harder for the shielding gas to protect the weld pool. Therefore, care should be taken to ensure the stick-out distance is not too long during welding. In this video, we have explained step by step how to set the correct gas flow rate in a clear and simple way. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more MIG welding tutorials. See you in the next video.